the girl that I was dating at the time, she was losing her hair, and I had gotten in touch with my ex-mother-in-law. We still have a really good relationship. And I told her, I said, hey, you're the smartest person that I know. What do you think could be going on here? And she ran through her list of what could be going on, but then she said that we should come see Cheyenne. So we came here and she spoke with Cheyenne, and Cheyenne said that, she was probably losing her hair because she had low testosterone, and talked to her about the BioT. And we started doing research into what the BioT did and everything, and the problems that it fixed. And it got me curious because I had a lot of the problems that it said that it would fix. And so the next time we came in to speak with Cheyenne, I mentioned that, I might be curious because I'm experiencing some of the symptoms that BioT supposedly fixes. So she had me do labs, which is great because they do labs here. And she said, yeah, I'd recommend doing it. And I said, okay, when can we do it? And same day that I came in to get my lab results read, she was able to hold me in a room, and I was in and out, including the lab result reading, in probably about an hour and 10 minutes. When the BioT started working, it was telling my body, hey, it's time to go to sleep, you need to recover. So I didn't really have a choice of staying up till 1, 2 in the morning anymore. By 11 o'clock, my body was telling me, hey, it's time to go down. Which is helpful because I have ADHD and I don't normally have that much self-control over when I should and shouldn't go to bed. Before the BioT, I was already bodybuilding. I was already taking tirzepatide for weight loss. I started at 548 pounds, and I had already lost well over 100 pounds. And when I started the bodybuilding, I was putting on about half a pound of muscle every month. And in the 8 weeks since the BioT, I've put on almost 6 pounds of muscle, and I've lost a little bit more than that in fat. It gave me the energy, it gave me the drive, the motivation to not just, because I was already going to the gym 4 days a week, but now going 6 or 7 days a week doesn't seem like a chore. It's something that's enjoyable. I lift very heavy, and where before I was doing 1 or 2 reps, and then on the last rep, negging it to failure at about 8 to 10 seconds. Now I'm able to do 3, 4, 5 reps, depending on how heavy it is. And on the neg to failure, I'm able to pull 15, 20 seconds. That level of increase in that short of time doesn't happen without some kind of intervention. I don't have a weight target. I have a fat percentage target. I'd like to be around 10% body fat. And the reason that I say that is because of the style of workout that I'm doing. I'm bodybuilding. I'm trying to pack on as much muscle as I can. If I had a goal weight, doing the type of workout that I'm doing probably wouldn't be achievable. I'm 6'3", should weigh just under 200 pounds. And with the amount of muscle mass that I have right now, it's impossible without being super unhealthy. So I'm just over 20% fat content away from goal. I've always been a little bit of a pessimist when it comes to going to the doctor or anything. I've always had to be drugged, kicking and screaming. And even before Cheyenne was my doctor, I was impressed by her. She's incredible. She doesn't talk to you like a doctor. She talks to you like a person. She explains things to you in language that you can understand. She understands that you didn't go to medical school. Seeing Cheyenne at Bold Beauty is probably one of the best accidents that ever happened for me and my health and my bodybuilding and everything. I know I still got a long way to go, but I think that path got a little bit shorter having come here.